Well. Now, how y'all doing there, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Arthur Morgan. Now, you may have seen me in such games as Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, my dear old friend, my boy, the owner of this, what the hell is this called again? A YouTube channel. He has asked me to do some voice commentary over his work. Now, I do not know much about this young gentleman's work, but I hear it's cultural carving. Well, now, I didn't see much of that myself when I went throughout the frontier, but dear oh dear, the mastercraft of this young man. Well, now, I must say, he is very skillful with these tools. Now, I myself am not a wood carver. I was an outlaw, doing all the wrong things on the wrong side of the law. But there's enough about me. That's enough about me. This gentleman right here, as you can see, is progressing through this. Let me read the script here. Now, I understand this carving is for a giveaway. As for a art competition, I believe he has almost finished the said carving as well. Don't mind me. After the Red Dead Redemption 2 series, I was left with a permanent cough. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, it is not black lung. Don't worry, I survived as well. It's a game. It's meant to be emotional. I even got paid very well for it too. Now where were we, goddammit? Oh. Well, I've kind of forgotten where the hell we were. Now I must say that this young gentleman right here, as you can see, is progressing through. This here wood carving of his, I do not know what it's called. I think it's called, let me read my script. A tickle. Well, now, I hope I did that well for this gentleman Broxh right here. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the design, you can see he's pumping out these notches, opening them up a bit more to show a little bit of emphasis on that middle ridge and between the lines. Now, as you can see, he is using only one chisel. Now, from what I can see, that looks like a skew. As you can see, getting in those real hard places to get. And there you go right there. As you clean those notches out, it shows more of an emphasis on that middle ridge. So it gives you a fair idea and it makes that design pop. Bit like my guns. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and it takes time from what I can see with this fella. It takes time, patience, and even more patience than that. I don't think I'd ever have that much patience in my life if I was told to do something like that. I do say so myself. Now, from what I can see, once again, he has done majority of the design work, and now it's opening up those ridges and those notches right there through the entirety of the carving as well. Now you can see a lot of work been done. I'm not sure what he would do after this, but by all means, all you guys need to do is go to his Twitch channel, wherever that may be, twitch.tv/Broxh. What the hell is this line on the bottom of his name? An underscore. Now, what the hell is an underscore? I do not know there, boy. But for now, as you can see, a lot been done on this particular carving as well. Now, the wood that I was told by this fella is called Cody. Now, I didn't know a young Cody in my days back in the frontier, but I believe that is not how you spell this particular timber's name. It is Kauri. That is how you spell Cody. I thought it was Cody the name, but no, Broxh. I'll tell you, this young fella right here, this goddamn bastard corrected me right on the spot. but would do so a man that takes pride in his craft, as you can say. He is not one to dilly-dally around and make sure that all the work gets done. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this particular carving is also going to be a giveaway carving. Now, if you're wondering where you can keep up with this goddamn bastard's progress, all you need to do, as I mentioned before, is go to his Twitch channel. And I believe he is coming to the end of the road for this carving as well, which will be then opened up to that art competition that he told me about. Giving it away. Yes, he is not going to sell this particular carving. He's giving it away. My gosh, he's a saint, isn't he? I lie, he's a goddamn bastard to me. I'm not even getting paid for this goddamn commentary. I'm just doing it out of the goodness of my own heart. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you do enjoy this individual's work, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell icon as well. And I tell you, this fine gentleman will do his best to provide you a lot more of these, what the hell is this service called again? YouTube videos, alright? YouTube videos, okay, alright. I have no goddamn idea how to turn this thing off. He didn't give me a goddamn, what do you say? A guide for this. But ladies and gentlemen, enjoy. And Arthur Morgan, we'll see you around next time. Outlaws for life.